lost a little of my light, but it's all good. So I just pushed this over, stabilized itself, but it's just had some styrofoam, it's basically from the iMac box. So I'll go over this again. I think it's pretty loose, I think. Feels loose at least. And then just gonna put these on. So we're gonna push this thing up. Definitely coming off. Again, you don't want to force it. You know, just slowly cut away. That's all you do. Slow cutting. That. Definitely easy. Getting stuff off. Whew. I'll get all this off, so if it's fitting to come off, take it off now. So you're eventually going to have to get it all off. And then the trick is, you don't want to lift it up too much, because you gotta remove some cables. So, there's 2 cables connected. Alright, so you just want to easily remove these. This one's again. Okay, so almost there. Almost there. Let's put this down a sec. Okay, so I'm not totally out of the woods yet. But there should be a tab here. So we gotta pull off all this extra stuff, but we'll do that later. So there should be a tab here. I can pull. Just get that last bit of glue at the bottom here. Should stop at the middle, midpoint way. There we go. There should be another tab here. Here. you don't get it, then you gotta just kind of cut it, unfortunately. Tweezers here. It's much easier when you going. Now just that's it. And put this aside. Okay, so I laid that flat right on the floor there. Yeah, I don't know if I can show you. Right there. Nothing spectacular. Right. And now on to more fun stuff. Okay. I'm done with cutting tool for now. And now, so exactly. So see what I'm saying? So there's no hard drive in here, right? So I have no Fusion. So as I suspected, I can't upgrade like the other videos. Because again, the other videos, they all have a Fusion drive. I did not opt for the Fusion drive. I opted for the SSD, the 500 gigabyte SSD model of the 2019 27-inch iMac 3.7 gigahertz iMac. So basically the top line one with with 500 gigabyte option. Difference between the 500 gigabyte and the Fusion was only 120 bucks, so I'm not totally upset. And again, worst case, if this does not work out for me, I have a decent SSD that I'm happy with. Again, size is a little less. It's really small, but you know, it is what it is. So it's kind of interesting. You just got this huge open spot here, as suspected. So now what I gotta do is basically take this whole thing apart just to get to the stupid SSD. Alright, well, let's get started, I guess. I guess I could peel this stuff off. Procrastinate a little bit longer. Or get started. I'm gonna have to do it anyways, so let's make sure it's all off. Get it all off. I'm going to put on brand new glue. So I'm going to glue in there. Right? It's a nice strong piece of stick. So it's pretty important. Diligence at this stage. The other thing to consider is you're also going to pull the glue off of the screen part as well. See, it's twice. And some prep stuff I did before I put it up was recalling my operating system. And the SSD is currently in here with me. So we might do that as well. Restart all this. Because unless you want to just have fresh OS and do it all over again. It's up to you. Trick is to just go slow. And then it should come off pretty easily. Don't force it. Just rub your fingers along. See with any catching points. See if I can get this whole thing off. Okay. I got that off. So now the fun begins. Maybe ones. I'm just going to continue, I guess. So here, let's see.